a beginner's guide to installing and managing fonts on your PC. Fonts can completely transform the look of your documents, presentations, and creative projects. Whether you're a designer or simply want to spice up a document, installing new fonts on your computer is a simple and fun way to enhance your work. Where to find fonts? There are numerous websites offering a vast collection of fonts, many of them free. Below are a few trusted sources for downloading fonts: Google Fonts, /google.com, DaFont, fontsquirrel.com. Some fonts are free, while others may require a purchase, especially for commercial use. How to install fonts. Once you've downloaded a font, installing it on your PC is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. 1. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. 2. Select the font files you've downloaded. They usually come in .ttf or .otf format. 3. Right-click the selected files, choose Show More Options, and then select Install for all users. 4. Wait for the installation process to finish. That's it. Your new fonts are now available to use in your applications. Managing installed fonts. You can view and manage all your installed fonts through the Settings app. 1. Click on the Settings app from your Start menu. 2. Navigate to Personalization and then select Fonts. 3. From this screen, you can see all the fonts installed on your PC. You can also drag and drop font files here to install them or download additional fonts directly from the Microsoft Store. Why install new fonts? Design purposes. Fonts can give your projects a unique style or branding. Variety in documents. Instead of sticking to default fonts like Times New Roman or Arial, you can use a fresh typeface to give your documents a polished and personalized look.